magical bread. Ratan and his family earned their livelihood selling their cow's milk. Unfortunately, one day the cow dies and his entire family is left with no money, not even for food. But even in this condition, they feed a poor old lady, giving their share of whatever little they had to eat, and eventually their fortune changed. Ratan used to stay in a village called Madhavpur with his wife Geeta and his daughter Neetu. He had a cow and earned his livelihood selling the cow's milk.
Geeta, I am going to the market to sell milk. Since the cow has provided less milk, let's see how much money I can fetch for this.
Don't worry, Ratan. We will adjust in whatever less you can get for the milk.
Ratan leaves for the market to sell milk. Neetu is getting ready for the school.
Dear Mitu, come on. Quickly get ready for the school.
Yes, Mummy, I'm getting ready.
That's when they hear someone knocking their door. When Neetu opens the door, she sees a poor old lady standing there.
Hey, old auntie, what are you looking for?
My girl, can I get something to eat? I'm really very hungry.
Okay, auntie, I'll just get something. Mom, there's a old lady standing out. Please give her something to eat. She's very hungry.
Okay.
She gets some rotis and vegetable in a plate and serves it to the old lady.
Auntie, please have this.
My dear, I bless you and your family to always be happy. You are so kind enough to feed me.
After having food, the old lady blesses Geeta and leaves. As days pass, after every 3-4 days, the old lady comes to Geeta's house to have food, and Geeta and Neetu kindly serve her. After which, she leaves by blessing both of them.
May God always keep you and your family happy.
Then one morning, when Ratan reached to milk his cow, he found that the cow was lying on the ground. He later realized that the cow was dead.
Oh, how did this happen? How can my dear cow die like this? Oh God!
And Ratan starts screaming. Listening to Ratan screaming, Geeta and Neetu rush towards him.
What happened to our cow?
Geeta, I think she died of a snake bite.
Now what will we do? She was the only source of income for our family.
Mom, can we not buy another cow?
No, dear. We don't have so much of money that we get another cow.
You don't need to worry. I will search for some work somewhere. And once we have enough money, Geeta, we will buy another cow.
Many days passed like this. Ratan went out of the village in search of work every day, but returned unsuccessful.
Please let me know if you have any work for me. I can work really hard.
No, brother. I do not have any work for you.
Poor Ratan returns back home tired and tells Geeta that he has not found any work till now.
Now what will we do? We don't have any food grain left now.
So we don't have any food today?
I could make only one roti, as there is no flour left with us. You and me to eat half roti each.
No. Why don't you both have it?
By then, they hear the old lady knocking the door.
My girl, please give me food.
Have this, auntie. This is the only thing we have today. Nothing else to eat at home.
She gives her the roti which was there.
God bless you and your family, my girl.
She leaves blessing them, while all three of them sleep hungry that night. But early in the morning, they hear the old lady knocking the door. Geeta opens the door and says,
Auntie, today we do not have anything left to feed you.
My dear, today I have come to give and not to ask.
That's when the old lady takes out a roti from her bag.
Take this, kind lady. As you all don't have anything to eat today, so eat this, okay?
No, Auntie, you have this. We will try to arrange something for us.
My dear, this roti is yours only. This is a magical roti. This will never get over. And in front of this roti, whichever vegetable you wish to eat, that will appear.
Saying this, the old lady disappears. Geeta narrates everything to Ratan and Neetu.
Mom, I'm really very hungry. Tell this roti to get some vegetable.
Geeta tears the roti into 2 pieces and serves it to Ratan and Neetu and wishes for cabbage. cabbage appears in both the plates. Ratan gives half portion of the roti from his share to Geeta, and the three of them start eating. And as the old lady said, the roti will not get over, so another one appears as soon as the first gets over.
Geeta, I have an idea in mind. Why don't we start a restaurant business?
Yes, and whatever we'll need, we can ask the roti to give us.
Ratan opened a food stall in his village in which he used to serve roti with vegetable along with dal and rice. Whatever the customers ordered for, Ratan used to ask the roti to give. And eventually, within no time, his small food stall turned into a big hotel where he employed a lot of people. And his small house turned into a big bungalow. So children, what we learn from this story is that we must always be ready to help others. All our good deeds come back and benefit us in some form or the other.